Well, we'll put our first call out for folks sitting down to the chairs and be part of the weight system for our tractor pull. We need 12 hardy folks 18 years or older to join us. Yesterday we had a great contingent of guys and gals both, and everybody had a good time. We did a button, show button, or actually a tractor pull button.